Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger and I'm in Las Americas. I'm in the Golden Mile here. With all these posh palm trees. So I'm outside the Oriental Garden. Got Pagoda. We're by the Mare Nostrum Resort. It's still closed. There's a few bits along there, but it's not really much good. This is like where it all starts from. RKS, the Flamenco Steakhouse. So I'm showing you it all here. American Plaza. This is where you should come at night time for a meal. It's pretty amazing along here. Let's walk along. Hello. Huh? Open. Thank you. Excuse me a minute. I left my rucksack open. Someone could pickpocket. So make sure you keep all your bags secure. What a nice guy. He just saved me losing stuff. Right. So there you go, you got the Argentine Steakhouse. Mamma Mia. There's a big statue there. That looks nice. So we're walking along here, this is amazing. Shall we walk out in the middle of the road? I'll show you what it looks like. Look at that, looks quite amazing. We've got the Hard Rock Cafe down here. Hacienda Miranda. Mexican grill. Look at this waterfall. The Cleopatra Palace Hotel down there. This is pretty amazing. It's nice at night time. Come here at night time. It's all lit up. Hacienda Miranda Steakhouse. Magic Cafe. Look at that big guitar, Hard Rock Cafe. So this is the entrance. Legendary Magic Mare Nostrum Resort. So this is part of that hotel, the Hard Rock Cafe. There we go, big screen. It's open now, it was shut for ages. So this is good. They have a show on in here, look, the Edith Piaf, Marlene Dietrich, January the 22nd to the 26th, the musical. There you go. So you can get something to eat in here if you want to, I think. Got a rock shop. So there's a safari centre, Harry's, got some shops in there. There's a Rolex watch shop over there. Should we going to have a look at that. We're going to have a look at that, the Rolex shop. So there's a waterfall here, but it's switched off at the moment. Maybe they turn it on at certain times. Ah, this shop's temporarily closed. That's a shame. This has been a lot of this stuff's been closed down for quite a while. Some stuff's opening up now. Got Harry's Bath up there. So what's let's walk through down the end here and have a look. Roma Trattoria behind this building. This is nice. I'm not going to say what that name is, you work it out. That's a clothes shop. Punta Roma clothes shop. Punta Roma guest shop. Timberland. What we got up here? We got the Four Seasons finest Oriental restaurant. Thai, Indian, Chinese, Japanese. There you go, so that's right at the back here. Up these steps. Tokyo Sushi Bar. Then we got the Deli Delights over there. So there's a few restaurants here. And then we go back down into the Safari. Oh, just missed a step. Oh dear, sorry about that. Jesus, didn't even see that step. That was dangerous. So look out for that step. Tell me if you've tripped over it in your comments. So we've got the Imperial Taipan up there. That was a bit tucked out of the way, wasn't it? I didn't see that one. Let's just go up these steps by the waterfall. Just got a little shop down there. So that's it for now. I'll do a quick walk down to the right. Fun Groovy shop. That's open. Got a few more bars down here. Flowers. All those pink flowers. It's nice. So you get some nice brands here. Look, Gap, Tommy Hilfiger, Skechers, Ray-Ban, Dior, Calvin Klein, Shiseido, Ritual. There's a car park here. Look, CC Safari. Go in there. So you got the restaurant Cerveceria, Beer Point, Alfaro restaurant, El Arrozal. quite cool. Mini golf, you've got mini golf down here. Park Santiago. So you've got a lovely view of palm trees here. It's very hot. Perfume Palace. Got another shopping centre here, look, downstairs. Style and fashion. Bershka shop. Got a cocktail bar up there. Get your English breakfasts downstairs, your tapas. Got mini golf around here. Gemini's free. Marvel shop. Joyous, that's a jewellery shop. Watches. Get your souvenirs there. Gemini's free. Towels, sunglasses, bits and bobs, bucket and spades. So there's loads of shops and restaurants along here. Spoiled for choice. Let's walk through this sweet home bit, mini golf. Let's have a quick look in there. This is nice. Park Santiago 5. Supermarket here. Gran Via. I think I went in here the other day. Sort of like a posh supermarket. Doesn't have everything you want, but it's alright. So you've got some little kiddies rides there. Cash point machine. Keep the kids happy. Got a little sort of waterfall here. Nice. Let's have a look at the mini golf course. Mini golf Santiago. Look at these plants, wow. These cactuses. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? So it's quite a big golf course. I didn't realise it was this big. Wow. Look at that. It goes all round there. It's like a garden as well. Got all posh plants. So there you go. If you want a bit of golf, see how much it costs. I think it costs €10. Oh no, here we go. Prices. 9 holes, €8. 18 holes, €10. Children under 12, €8. We don't accept cards, only cash. So there you go. I'll zoom in on the prices. There you go. So it's open from 10 till midnight by the looks of it. We don't refund money, so make sure you definitely want to go in, because once you paid, that's it, you don't get your money back. So there you go, there's another price list there. Mini Golf Santiago. There you go. There's a nice little restaurant here. Look at all these tables and chairs. Look, there's loads of them. Hundreds of them. There's my daughter on the left, Chloe. Danielle, hello. There's Florence in the little Jeep. She's enjoying it. Is that good? Yeah. There you go. You're going to get a taxi?
Adios, everyone.
Adios, we're going to go now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Watch out for the next video. Johnny Vlogger UK. Thank you.